So this one, it says that the graphs of functions f and g are shown. The function g is defined as g of x equals f of x minus c. What's the value of c? So as I look at this, I see that g is shifted down vertically. So I just need to find a point. Like this looks like a good point right here, right? So that is probably 14, comma, 2. And it looks like it goes down 1, 2, 3. And this point right here is 14, comma, negative 1. So because we shifted down 3 units and the formula has a negative right here, then c would equal 3. In other words, g of x is equal to f of x minus 3. The formula had the minus sign in it, so c is equal to positive 3. I already know some kids are going to put negative 3 in there, but whatever. But that's it. We shifted it down. It's outside the parentheses. Any vertical shifting outside the parentheses, horizontal shifting inside the parentheses.